Tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moment? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is your ultimate power solution, ensuring you stay connected anywhere. This portable powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 mAh, enough to charge your iPhone over 6 times, making low battery a distant memory. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any connected device. That means you get the fastest, safest charge for your smartphone, tablet, and more, without ever worrying about overcharging. With convenient dual USB ports, you can easily charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing power or powering both your phone and headphones on the go. If you're looking for the best portable charger that delivers on its promises, this Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute game-changer. Anker's legendary build quality means incredible durability and reliability, making this a smart investment that truly lasts. Stop battery anxiety in its tracks and experience true freedom from wall outlets. For anyone needing dependable, high-capacity power on the go, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute must-buy, so check the Amazon link in the description to grab yours today.